Providing a stopover area for waterfowl migrating through Illinois, Rice Lake State Fish and Wildlife Area, along with the surrounding areas, provide an excellent opportunity for outdoor recreation, including fishing, hunting, and wildlife observation. Because of an extensive habitat management program, this Fulton County backwater wetland area is used by thousands of ducks and geese as they move through central Illinois during the changing seasons. Visitors may also sight the American bald eagle, which uses the bottomland timber for roosting. Many Illinois anglers list Rice Lake as one of the best lakes in the area for its large variety of game fish. 15 miles of shoreline provide plenty of space, or bring your boat and try your luck offshore. A paved boat ramp is located at the side office. However, with seasonal fluctuations in the water levels, fishing access may be limited during certain times of the year. Duck hunting and archery deer hunting also provide opportunities for the outdoor sportsman. The initial purchase of land for Rice Lake along the Illinois River was in 1945. The land purchase was designated as a refuge for migratory waterfowl, with the portion to serve the hunters who contributed largely towards the land purchase. Camping facilities were added and renovated in 1970. If you have time for an overnight stay, tent and trailer camping areas are available. 32 of the sites are graveled and have electricity hookups. The Department of Conservation purchased 2 of the neighboring waterfowl clubs to provide increased mid-migration habitat. The 5,600-acre area that makes up Rice Lake State Fish and Wildlife Area includes Big Lake, Slim Lake, Goose Lake, Pond Lily Lake, Lock Pond, and the Coppers Creek Management Unit. Because the area is subject to extensive flooding, water management projects have been established to provide water control. Each year, the lake is drawn down and aerially seeded with high-quality moist soil plants to provide food to attract migrating waterfowl. Boat traffic is limited to authorized boats only from October 1st to April 1st to reduce disturbances caused to migrating waterfowl and endangered species using the area. Rice Lake State Fish and Wildlife Area is located 7 miles southeast of Canton and 24 miles southwest of downtown Peoria on U.S. Route 24.